everyone, I'm Jomer Dixman. My activity is what the advantage of the World Wide Web. It seems to me that indeed we are becoming more interacted while at the same time more isolated. In today's world, people have access to communication via social media platform, instance the messaging applications and video conference regardless of the distance between them. At the same time, I see that the people use their mobile phone accessible and rather than spending quality time with their families, friends in person. And for myself, I find that technology allows me to be aware of that is going on in the world and remain in contact with other particularly in education and everyday life. Yun lamang po. Thank you.